I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing bitches on my line, and you know.
So hi guys, welcome back with me. So today I will explain about conditional sentence. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Materi, NPM 0060. So here I will explain about the definition of a conditional type, the function, the 3 types of conditional sentence, and then the summary. So let's check to this next video. Okay, first I will explain about what is conditional sentence. So conditional sentence is a form that compound a sentence that can be used when we want to say that something is an outcome that depend on the other situation, or it's mean something that not yet happened or probably impossible to be happen. So next is the function of conditional sentence. So the function of conditional sentence, so first is to suppose something will happen in the future. Second is the propose something that might not happen now, and last is to presume something that has happened in the past. So next is the 3 type of conditional sentence. There are type 1, type 2, and type 3. Okay, let's we start with type 1. So in the type 1 that we can use to show the condition that probably happen right now in the future. There is a formula construct of conditional sentence type 1. So first is if plus simple present plus simple future, or we can use simple future plus if plus simple present. So the example of conditional sentence type 1 is first, if you are not studying now, you will get a bad score. Example number 2, I will become a teacher if I study serious now. Okay, next I will explain the conditional sentence type 2. Okay, now I will explain about the conditional sentence type 2. So we can use type 2 to show condition possible to be happen in the past but actually not happen in the current moment. So there is a formula to construct a conditional sentence type 2 is if plus simple past plus would or could or might plus infinitive, or would or could or might plus infinitive plus if plus simple past. So the example of conditional sentence type 2. Okay, the example of type 2 is if I studied, I would pass the exams. So example number 2, our teacher could angry if we didn't remind him about exam. So next is the conditional sentence type 3. Okay, now I will explain about the conditional sentence type 3. So In this type 3, we can use the condition that impossible to be happen or never happen. So the type 3 also have the formula of construct. So is if plus past perfect plus would or could or might plus have plus past participle, or we can use would or could or might plus have plus past participle, past if, and past perfect. So next is the examples of conditional sentence type 3. Okay, now is the example of conditional sentence type 3. So the example number 1, if I had studied, I would have passed the exam. So example number 2, my dad could have become rich if he had won lottery. Okay. So I think that is all my explanation about the conditional sentence. So last is the summarize of this conditional sentence is conditional sentence are sentence that we use to express something that may or may not happen expected. So there are several type of conditional sentence is type 1 future conditional, type 2 present conditional, type 3 is past conditional. So the conditional sentence can be used to presuppose something that happened in the future, present, and past. Thank you for watching my video, and I'm really sorry if I have any mistake. So thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap.